Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where power meets prestige, and every ride tells a story of innovation, comfort, and elite class. Today we're diving deep into the beast of the luxury van world, the iconic GMC SAVANA 3D here. A bold blend of durability, refined design, and road-dominating performance. Buckle up, because this is not your ordinary passenger van. This is luxury van heaven. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the GMC SAVANA 3500 commands attention. Its broad-shouldered stance, robust front fascia, and timeless American silhouette scream capability. But it's not just about size, it's about presence. The chrome-accented grille, deep-tinted glass, and high-mounted halogen headlights turn this van into a rolling declaration of authority and style. Under the hood, the SAVANA 3500 doesn't play around. Choose between the legendary 6.6L V8, engine-pushing serious horsepower, or the available Duramax turbo diesel for unstoppable torque and long-haul confidence. This van is engineered for power. Whether you're hauling a family across the country or transforming it into your ultimate mobile business or luxury van life sanctuary, step inside and everything changes. The exterior is pure strength, but the interior is pure sophistication. Spacious, calm, and crafted with comfort in mind. Plush leather-appointed captain's chairs, advanced climate control, whisper-quiet cabin insulation, and intuitive controls make every journey feel first class. Whether it's transporting clients or kicking back on a cross-country road trip, the GMC SAVANA 3500 makes sure every mile is enjoyed in luxury. And it's smart, too. The technology in this van rivals what you'd find in high-end SUVs. A crystal-clear touchscreen, infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected. Multiple USB ports, available 4G LTE Wi-Fi, navigation, and rear-view camera assistance combine for an intelligent, seamless experience. Need to work remotely or stay connected on the go? The SAVANA's got your back. Safety wasn't an afterthought either. The GMC SAVANA 3500 comes equipped with modern driver assist features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, rear park assist, and stability control systems that adapt to road and load conditions. Whether you're maneuvering through tight city streets or cruising down highways, you're surrounded by layers of intelligent protection. What makes the SAVANA 3500 a true game changer is its versatility. It's built to be what you need it to be. A high-end luxury passenger van, a VIP shuttle, a mobile office, or even the base for your next camper conversion. The canvas is yours. Customizable seating configurations and heavy-duty payload capability. The possibilities are endless. We don't just review vehicles. We bring you closer to the machines that move the world. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more luxury rides, honest reviews, and top-tier auto content every week. Thanks for watching.